Okay, hi. Here we are celebrating our handover ceremony with Mr. Abrik and Mrs. Arpita. So, just having a little quick chat regarding the full process that we have been through. So, you can tell that what were your feelings throughout the process. Like we were involved from the scratch designing and execution. So, you can share some of your experience that you went through with us.
Yeah, like we did a lot of research for selecting a individual designing company, and like we were very impressed with the CeeBeeDesignStudio's videos, and then we approached and she gave a brief idea about the entire process, and then we decided to go with CeeBee. We got the 3D design, and like we really liked it at one shot. Mostly like there is hardly few changes that we did.
Yes.
Most of the things were like whatever
So
has been presented to us
were according to
our expectations.
Yes,
Yeah, right from the onset. So yeah, we really liked it, and then we started the project. And since I was staying outside, so it was really a difficult job for me to monitor.
Okay.
So then when the execution started, like Manas really did a very good job, and he always updated me with the latest happenings, what's going on, and he was taking care of the project as his own. So, and a lot of times what happened is like we were ordering something for ourselves, like not physically but through other Amazon or something like, and he was taking care of the deliveries, installation and everything.
Right.
So yeah, it has been a wonderful journey with CeeBee.
That's great. So in this home, like my favorite part is the foyer. Foyer is something that highlights the entrance. So it is very beautifully designed with the molding and full color concept that we have, keeping in mind that modern concept. So Momita, which is your favorite part for this 4 BHK block?
My favorite part is the sofa back panel in the living room and the study room, the bookshelf and the study table with the hanging open shelf with roof. And then what about you?
So basically my favorite part is the parents room seating area. So it feels like so cozy, so that we can just have with a cup of coffee we can just chit chat, and like very cozy sort of a place, which I really like it. And we didn't think of before like when the flat was vacant, we didn't really think of that place will be so nice and well decorated with such a wonderful sitting arrangement. And really thanks to you guys, because you did a wonderful job for that.
This is the parents' bedroom with soft green pastel shade and molding on the wall, with the touch of ethnicity on all furniture that makes the room completely elegant. This is the parents' room with sober pastel shades color on the wall, and combination of wooden and solid laminate gives a subtle finish. Beautiful white hanging light and side table with golden handle is modern yet classy. Dresser unit also laminate finished. Addition of the jelly from the middle of the wardrobe gives an ethnic and classy combination on it. Corner window setting is added an extra coziness in the room.
So in every home we have this one room which we keep for our guests. So this is one such room where we have done smart utilization of space so that it could be converted into study cum yoga area. Pull down bed or Murphy bed helps to create space in the entire room as well as giving us the utility when our guests come over. Beside and top of the Murphy bed, we have given storages and open shelves for display, thus giving us a balanced structure. The front of the Murphy bed is finished in laminate with grooves on it. The wardrobe also finished in laminate, where we have played around with the color family blue. Following the work of home trend, here we have given a foldable study ledge from the wall, yet again a smart utilization of space. So then, like as we were discussing, and you were saying that first you approached while you were seeing a YouTube video. So I'm very sure that you would have not have imagined that right now we'll be also shooting your.
Yes, and I was very excited about it. And she was really asking me like when we are going to shoot our videos.
Yeah. And soon it will be in the
Yeah. And really thanks to CeeBee Design Studio, and hope we keep in touch in the future also, and hope to see more videos of your properties.
So much.